Michael, your handyman, with a pro tip for today. Have you just recently painted your house and got rid of all of the paint cans and paint and leftover paint? And then you run across those couple spots where you say, maybe I should have put a little more paint there. Well, pro tip for today. The next time that you're painting, let's save some of that paint. Let me show you some of that now. Okay, so here's the example. Recently, we just painted and the color that was left over was color UFO. Yes, that's correct. UFO. Semi-gloss. We had a lot left over. So we poured it in an empty container and held it. And now we can do a little touch up as I'm doing now. I'm going to show you something real quickly. Now, as you can see, this area could have used a little more paint. Would you agree? I mean, that's not a sharp, crisp corner. So, hey, what are we going to do about that? We're going to pause. Yes, we paused so we could go get our paint. And now let's pour a little bit in our container and let's paint that spot. And all we need is a little bit of paint. All right, catch that excess, put that top back on there. Easy peasy. And let's get onto that spot. And now we're gonna get some paint onto that spot. Come down, get ourselves a nice sharp line. Coming into view right now. Okay. Nice and smooth. And now that looks a little bit better, would you say? Okay, that was the tip of the day. Remember, if you're painting and you have leftover paint, don't just discard it. Save it, whether it's a jar, a container with a lid on it. Remember to put the exact paint, whether semi-gloss, flat paint, whatever the label is, put that down so you remember what that paint was. And always, like I say, keep it labeled, keep it tight, and keep it out of the reach of children, of course. And don't save it too long. Put a date on it, you know. Keep it for maybe whatever the manufacturer said. If the manufacturer said that it's dated for or rated for 2 months, give or take, don't keep it past that 2 months. Get rid of it. But with that being said, let's keep doing some touch-ups. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you on the next job. Talk to you later. I'm Michael, your handyman. Thank you.